When you try improving logistics solutions every day, everything is possible. Design the right solution. Include latest technologies. Connect intelligent systems. Have a resilient team. When you innovate your daily work, you make a difference. To stay agile and fast-track the implementation, to gain storage efficiency and reduce our carbon footprint. When you try improving logistics solutions every day, you start making the world a better place and take care of our environment, of our people. Just be on the way.